Hi, today in this video, you will learn database administrator in DBMS. So first we discuss what is database administrator. A database administrator is individual or person who is responsible for controlling, maintenance, coordinating, and operations of database management system. So here controlling, maintenance, coordinating, and operations are the prime responsibility, and these responsibilities are taken care by DBA. So simply you can see that DBA is a commander of database system. So I hope you understand what is database administrator. Database administrator is an individual or person who taking care of managing, securing, and taking care of database. Now next is types of database administrator. First is administrative DBA. So administrative DBA, they are responsible for keep the server up to date and functional. For example, data backup, security, troubleshooting, replication, migration, all these operations comes under administrative DBA. So it is very important for an organization to keep the server up to date and functional. If server is not up to date, not upgraded, it may create a huge problem for a company or an organization. So administrative DBA responsible to keep the server up to date and functional. He taking care of data recoveries, backup, security, etc. Now next is data warehouse DBA. So here data warehouse DBA, they are responsible to merge data from various sources into data warehouse, and they are also responsible to design the warehouse with cleaning and data prior to loading. Now next is application DBA. Application DBA responsible for all application requirements that interact with database as well as operations such as application installation, coordination, application updates, database cloning, data load process management, and so on. So application DBA taking care of application requirements. Next is development DBA. So development DBA taking care to create database queries, store procedures, and other tools to satisfy the demand of a company or an organization. Now next is task-oriented DBA. So task-oriented DBA is a highly skilled professional who focuses on a few key DBA responsibility. For example, backup and recovery. DBA spend his entire day ensuring the organization database are recoverable, and other responsibility that is taken care by task-oriented DBA are security, compliance, data protection. So task-oriented DBA is highly skilled professional who focuses on backup and recoveries and security and data protection. Now next is role and duties of database administrator. So first is decide hardware. They choose the most cost-effective hardware based on cost, performance, efficiency, as well as what best serve the organization. So it is very important to choose the right hardware for your organization, which is cost-effective and perform the best and must be highly efficient. Now next is manages data integrity and security. Data integrity need to be checked and managed accurately. It must for a database system that integrity is accurate, and the role of DBA is to ensure that the data integrity is checked, and other is it protect and restrict data from unauthorized use. DBA eyes on relationship with data to maintain the data integrity. Now next is database design. DBAs take care of logical, physical, and external model design as well as integrity and security control. Now next is database implementation. At the time of implementation, the DBA implements the DBMS and validates the database loading. The next role of a DBA is query processing performance. The speed, performance, and accuracy of the query processing are all improved by DBA. So DBA must take care of the speed and performance and accuracy of the query. Now next is tuning database performance. The DBA is responsible for modifying the database to ensure adequate performance as requirements changes. So these are some responsibilities and duties of the DBA. I hope you like my video. If you have any doubt, you can comment us. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe.